I'm sitting in a 2014 Nissan Juke. This is a push button start, standard transmission. We're going to program a OEM prox and one of these aftermarket proxies to it. So let's get started. Go to Juke 14, Smart 5 and Smart Remote 1. We're going to go to Smart 5. Program key without key slot, yes. Hazards right here. They're blinking. There's our security light. You can see by the flashers blinking, it's red. Okay, we're going to do the new pin. Okay, now take our fob, I'm going to push the start button and hold it up next to the button. The dashboard should light on. We should get the 5 flashes. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it off. Next, get this one. I'm going to press the start button first, then hold it. There it goes. 5 flashes. Then turn it off again with your finger. Then we're going to turn it back on one more time and hold the first fob up to it. Right there. Security lights out. Turn it off. Turn our flashes off. From this point, we're done. There's our lock and unlock. All right, works great. Okay, show you one for an example. Lock and unlock. And there we go, all done.